A new esport has made its way into Southern California. It's called drone soccer. It requires the perfect combination of engineering, technology, and skilled pilots.
And a local high school is mastering this esport like no one else, and they've already won a national championship. Jaysha Patel spoke to the team in tonight's SoCal Strong.
The sky's the limit for these high school soccer players, quite literally. This isn't your average soccer team. The Sato Academy of Math and Science in Long Beach says they're the first school in Southern California to form a drone soccer team. The idea to start a team at the school came from Albert Gallo, an aerospace engineering teacher who is also the coach of the school's drone soccer team.
This is a 10 by 10 by 20 arena. And the reason for the arena is because this is a full contact sport where the drones can hit each other as much as they want to. So when they hit each other, the drone kind of shakes for a little bit and it kind of takes off.
The drones have a protective layer over them to prevent damage when they crash into each other.
There's 2 teams of 5 drones, and on both those teams there is 1 striker. That's the only drone that can go through the goals. The hoop's hanging in the air, and they score points by how many times they can go through the hoop.
The rest of the drones are defenders trying to block the other team's striker from making goals. Students stand off to the side and wear safety goggles when they fly the drones, and nets are around the arena. They say drone soccer is a new, exciting esport that combines engineering and technology with sports.
I think drone soccer is just an amazing competition and sport that people could get into. And it's just a great learning experience, from learning how to build the drones, how to code them, getting your foot in the door on the new aviation industry that's prominently rising.
These students use grants and raise money for their equipment through community events. They're hoping more schools and students decide to compete in the esport. If a school is interested in having drone soccer on their campus, they can go to cadrones.org for more information.